got a little punch list here.
Well, because it's grasping, it would be red.
Got the terra firma suspension already on. Gonna do the front brake line tonight. Body mount bushings are done. Sway bar brackets are not here, but we're just gonna take the sway bar off. And that's what we're doing right now. Front and rear drive shafts, and it drove in here, so we know we've got that on there. Front and rear bumpers, not here yet. Tree guards, not here yet. Roof rack, not here yet. Wheels and tires. 1-inch spacers.
Gonna be.
Spare tire carrier, that'll be on the rear. Probably on a rear bumper if we can fab that up. And exhaust. And only got the appropriate brake lines for this year model. Yep. Wheel moldings. How much did you cut off? Oh, yeah. Every bit of it. Tom Woods. Drive shaft. You already got your sticker on here?
Yes, sir.
We'll go check out that sticker. And front drive shaft. Take a look at that. Oh yeah.
Where's the socket for that? For the wheels?
You're torquing everything down to get it, since it's sitting on its own weight. You can notice when you get back here, that is it's squatted just a little bit on the passenger side. Thinking about maybe swapping the springs just to see if that might level it out, but I figure it's going to need a trim packer on that passenger side. Or I'm sorry, driver's side if you're in the UK or other parts of the world where you drive on the wrong side of the road. It's an absolute unit. You're missing pieces. Oh no. Oh yeah.
No. Sway bar.
I think it'll be all right without it, honestly.
That's good.
I mean, as long as you don't turn it over going over a speed bump at the mall. Jared, you pulling those brake lines out?
Every day.
Oh man.
Brake line king.
Sweet. Sweet. It's an unsponsored video. We're not sponsored by Pignet. Oh, here it comes.
Oh, come on, just a little bit. We ain't got much pull down, so.
Third drawer down.
Oh my God.
With the big bags.
Make sure and edit that out.
Oh yeah,
Get that camera up in here.
I got it in there.
You got to see me biting my damn, sticking my tongue out trying to get this thing to go on.
My knees hurt. I gotta get up. That's what she said.
Move some brackets. So we ain't got much room with this dual line caliper.
Oh wow. Yeah, I got you.
You just leave it
Yeah,
like that, and I mean, the drivability is still there to get it back to
yeah.
the location it needs to be at.
Well, those do looks nice.
You got about 10 inches higher than it used to be.
I mean,
I don't have much brake fluid.
is your emergency brake not an adjustment?
Yeah, it just flies up.
We'll have to we'll have to get underneath it and check that drum and see if it can. You twist it, I think clockwise, a couple of turns, and it spreads out the shoes. That's a good thing to start a fire. I don't know why that's up here. That's his O2 sensor. I don't understand.
Can we put it in the flex pipe?
Yeah, might as well.
Took yourself that screwdriver.
You need a bung.
All right, hold it right there. Let me get my.
Ready to pump?
Well, no, because I ain't got no.
You got your bleeding shoes on, Jared? Your bleeding shoes.
No, not right just yet. Give me a half inch, maybe a 10 millimeter, something.
Here. It's just a regular. Let's see if that's the right size. And then I'll figure out if I can find out where you're.
A little smaller.
Okay. See if that's too small.
All right, pump them.
All right.
Got it held down?
Yeah, fill that hard.
Oh, dang.
Don't let it hit you in the eyeball.
CD deal?
It probably has a cassette still in the glove box that says "Getting to Know Your Range Rover." Yeah, a Wabco. All right.
So you got any pedal?
See if you got pedal.
Okay, let me go back to the back.
No, when you came to this side, I lost. Like it over
That's
there.
good because it shot out a bunch of air.
Did it? Yeah, because over there it was kind of getting when you crack it and go down.
Well, that line over there was leaking still.
Okay.
Pump 'em.
All right. Take a few off-road trails going.
So, how many lug nuts are you missing?
I think 4 total.
You're missing at least 3 on one wheel. Don't forget your Don't forget your brake lines.
No, I'll take them, because we'll probably end up putting them on the back. I'm sure that's not over here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do the back, or you'll snap that the first time that axle drops. It got way more legs in the back than it does in the front.
Get cleaned up, it's gotta go on the trick, it's switching. We gotta get an alignment too.
Yeah, I'd look at getting I think it'd level it up if you just put a trim packer around the spring. Now, did you get the axle or the spring retainer?
Yeah, we ain't done the front one.
But the back here,
Back one we did.
you got it in there?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, let's check these lights if we're going to drive it.
I mean, I just can't tell you about this OG cell antenna that's in here. I mean,
That's dim.
that's about 10 candle power. That's at least 1 lumen. In case you need to take a flashlight, and just in case. All right, we are finished with the tightening everything up. Suspension's on. He's gonna drive this for the first time, and just hopefully he doesn't have any kind of issue. He can make it. Still have a few more center brake lines to put on, but all in all, this big lift on this Range Rover Classic, we ought to have that out on the dirt possibly in the next week or so. And we will obviously be catching that footage, so if you would, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification so you can watch as we give this Range Rover Classic